Welcome to this platform. If you're watching me from Facebook, kindly follow me. If you're watching me from YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we have good news to all those writing exams. Those that are writing GCE exams, as well as those who are writing school certificate exams. We are conducting or offering intensive online lessons in the following subjects: mathematics, physics, biology, chemistry, and civic education at 80 kwacha only. Our lessons are reliable and exam-oriented. If you are interested to join, call 0976 402563. The topic that we are going to look at today is matrices. Okay, so let us look at matrices, and the question is, given that the matrix A is equals to this one, the first question is, find the positive value of x for which the determinant of A is 12. Find the positive value of x for which the determinant of matrix A is 12. So how do you find the value of x given the determinant? How do you find the value of x given the determinant? Now, to start with, let us look at a matrix and look at how we find the determinant. Let us look at how we find the determinant. So let me give an example before we even start solving. Let me explain something here. So if you have a matrix that is A, that is B, and in this one the entries, let me put letters A, B, C, and D. Finding the determinant of this matrix, determinant is denoted dt, that is dt, so determinant of B is equals to, in finding the determinant, you are going to multiply the major diagonal. So you multiply the major diagonal, and the major diagonal is this one. So multiply A, multiply D, minus minor diagonal, which is this one, which is B, multiply C. And therefore the determinant of the matrix A, matrix B, is equals to A, D, minus B. So this is the general formula that you are going to use to find a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so now having known that the formula that we use to calculate the determinant of the matrix, that is a 2 by 2, it is this one. Therefore now we can apply it to this matrix that we are given, matrix A. So matrix A that we are given is 2x, then here 2, here there's 3, here there's x. This is the matrix that we are given. Okay, we want to find the value of x. The determinant is already given. Now if we are to write the formula for the determinant for this one, so you are going to find that the determinant of the matrix A, using this formula that is here, we are going to multiply this one as our major diagonal, that is 2x, multiply x, and also minus 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply 2. Okay, and now we are given the determinant as 12. So we are going to equate where there's determinant, we are going to put 12, and therefore it's going to be 2x multiply x is 2x squared. 2x squared minus this one, the 3 multiply 2 is negative 6. Okay, this one should all be equal to 12 because the determinant is equal to 12. Okay, so now I'll bring this one here. Then now what do? We have 2x squared minus 6 is equals to 12. Remember, our target is to find the value of x. Okay, so we are going to move this one this side, and we are going to have 2x squared is equals to 12 plus 6. Okay, that is what we are going to have. Now, at this point, we can add this side, and when we add the other side, what are we going to have? When we add this side, we are going to have 18 is equals to 2x squared. We can reduce this one here. We reduce this one. So we are going to have x squared is equals to 9. Remember, we are interested in finding the value of x. We are interested in finding the value of x. Therefore, let me just shift this one there. So x squared is equals to 9. Now, at this point, you are introduce the square root and also the square root. Therefore, you are going to find the value of x. X is equals to plus or minus 3. Now, what this means is that you have two values of x here. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to negative 3. We are interested in the what? In the positive one. And therefore here x is equals to 3. That is our x. Okay, now that we found the value of x, let us now answer the B question, that is hence or otherwise write the inverse of the matrix A. So now, before we write even the inverse of matrix A, let us just write the original matrix from the value of x that we found. From this one that we have, there's 2x here, which means 3 multiplied by 2 here, so it's going to be 6. So the first position here is 6. Then 3 here comes, and also 2 there, then we have 3 here. So this is the original matrix. Okay, now that we have the original matrix, we can now find the inverse of A. How do you find the inverse of A? So inverse of A, the formula is 1 over determinant of A and multiply the adjoint of A. This is the formula that we use. We have the determinant. How do we find the adjoint? So in order for you to find the adjoint in the same matrix, I'll use this same one. So for you to find the adjoint, you just swap or you just exchange this. So the major diagonal exchange, then the minor diagonal changes a sign. So we are going to have something like this. So in this one is going to change to be D, then there is going to be A. Then for these, they change sign, it is positive, it will be negative, and also that one will be negative. So this is the adjoint of this matrix. So we are going to do the same to this matrix that we have, that is original matrix of A. So we are going to find also the adjoint, and the adjoint of this one, we are going to have, the adjoint of this one is 3, 6, negative 3, and 2. So this is the adjoint. Okay, this is the adjoint of the matrix. Now, since we found the adjoint of the matrix, let me just put it here. Adjoint of A is equals to 3, negative 3, then we have negative 2, then we have 6. So this is the adjoint of the matrix A. Now, want to find its inverse. Want to find its inverse. Okay, so A inverse is equals to, what is the 1 over determinant, which is 12, multiply the adjoint, which is 3, negative 3, negative 2, 6. Okay, so if you want, you can leave it here, or you can continue where you multiply now this 1 over 12 throughout, and this one, the first one is going to be 1 over 12 multiply 3, which is just the same as 3 over 12. So you're going to have this one as 1 over 4. So the first one is going to be 1 over 4. So 1 over 4. Then for the down one, it's going to be negative 1 over 4. Then for this one, it's going to be 1 over 6, negative 1 over 6. And this one is going to be 1 over 2, like this. So this is the inverse of the matrix. Okay, so that is how you simply find it. All right. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for staying up to this point.